Hi friends. I'm Arma Saeed and you're watching Why You Should Be Skeptical About the Japanese Anti-Aging Plant on Kingdom Information YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for latest stories, updates and articles on daily basis. Could the fountain of youth be shaped less like a fountain and more like a leafy green herb? That's what some headlines may have you believe after a study was published looking at certain anti-aging compounds in a plant called ashitaba. In a study published in Nature Communications' trusted source, Austrian researchers say they think the Japanese could potentially hold the key to halting age's effects on the body. But experts caution the research is still in the early stages and doesn't prove that the anti-aging properties will actually work in humans. Despite a great deal of scientific evolution to help increase life expectancy, little has been done to increase health spans, or the period during which age-related health conditions aren't a factor in a person's life, the study's authors state. Their solution? A compound found in Angelica Keisuke koizumi, known colloquially as ashitaba, which has been revered for centuries as a traditional treatment for conditions from heartburn to hay fever. Ashitaba contains a variety of nutrients, including a flavonoid, or a plant-based disease-fighting nutrient, called 4,4-dimethoxychalcone, DMC. DMC, which the researchers, from the University of Graz in Austria and other institutions, identified as a natural compound with anti-aging properties, could slow cell degeneration, or cell aging. This degeneration process can lead to chronic health conditions like heart disease and cancer. In the study's research, DMC prolonged the lifespan of worms and fruit flies by 20%. In mice, the compound appeared to protect hearts during a blood flow blockage. In tests on human cells, DMC appeared to slow senescence, the process that causes cells to stop dividing and start growing permanently. Senescence is a turning point in a person's aging process. Once it begins, your body enters the permanent aging period. The researchers say DMC slows aging by inducing autophagy, a process during which the body recycles damaged cells and removes them in favor of healthier new cells. If DMC could slow cell aging and trigger autophagy in people, the researchers concluded, the plant's anti-aging properties might help individuals live longer with fewer chronic health conditions. A handful of studies on ashitaba suggest it may have some helpful benefits beyond aging. For example, one study trusted source found that animals which consumed ashitaba produced less stomach acid. This may mean the plant is beneficial for treating heartburn. Another study trusted source, this one in rats, found that an extract in ashitaba may help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, as well as total cholesterol and triglyceride numbers. These studies, as well as several others, didn't look at humans, however, only lab studies of human cells. It's difficult to translate those types of studies to real effects for humans, says Ginger Hultin, a Seattle-based registered dietitian, spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, and owner of a dietitian practice called Champagne Nutrition. There are so many great antioxidant flavonoids in all plant foods, and DMC is one of many. Dimethoxychalcone exists in ashitaba, but this study was done on organisms ranging from yeast to mice. It's so hard to know how it works in humans. Thanks a lot for watching the Kingdom Information YouTube channel. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for useful videos on daily basis.